Our smartphones are housed to some of our most important secrets, whether sensitive business emails, financial details, or personal photos, which you don't want them to fall into wrong hands. Even after you do a factory reset and agree to erase everything on your Android, your data can be recovered with the right tools that puts you and your sensitive data at risk. Recently, I saw an ad from Manforce. They really have a nice message in it on this topic. This video is inspired from that ad. I'll link the video down in the description box below. Not everyone know about this topic which they should, and I'm going to show you how to wipe your Android phone properly to make sure that you will be always on the safer side. Step 1. Turn off the screen lock. Open your device settings and remove any security you have for the lock screen. It might be at different places based on your device manufacturers. This is not required step for all phones, but some want you to do this, so I am including it here. Step 2. Remove your Google account. You need to remove any and all Google accounts from the phone or tablet, and Samsung account if you have a Samsung device. How does a factory reset work? When you do a factory reset on your Android smartphone, it's supposed to wipe it clean, but it does not. It deletes the addresses of all your data, so it no longer knows where it's stored, but it does not actually overwrite the data. That being the case, it's possible for someone to use the right tools to get some of that data back. But you don't want that, do you? Step 3. Encrypt your data. The option is built into Android and requires you to enter a PIN or password every time you turn your phone on. The encryption process will scramble the data on your device, and even if the wipe does not fully delete the data, a special key will be required to unscramble it. That makes it virtually unrecoverable. To encrypt the data, fully charge your phone or keep it plugged in to the charger while this process is running, because it can take several hours depending on how much data you have. The exact method for navigating this step will differ slightly from phone to phone. If your phone comes with Android 6.0 Marshmallow or above, it should be encrypted by default. You can always verify whether it is encrypted or not directly in the setting. Check my video on the top right corner to know how to check the Android OS version. Step 4. Factory reset the phone. Make sure that you have everything you want to keep backed up before you do this, because it will wipe everything. The steps are generally the same for most Android devices but may vary for some manufacturers. When the process is done, your phone will be wiped and any data that could be recovered will be encrypted and should be impossible to decrypt. Step 5. Overwrite it with junk data. Let's go even further and make sure the new destroyed encrypted data is even more worthless by overwriting with new junk data. Go ahead and set up your device again, but this time don't sign in into any Google accounts or anything. Once your device is set up as new, start recording a dummy video for as long as you can at the highest resolution possible. Repeat this as much as you need to fill up all the space. Then do another factory reset. You can repeat step 4 and 5 multiple times. If you have any queries, then please let me know in the comment section below. It's better to be safe than sorry. Share this video with your loved ones and help them not to do these mistakes. Give a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe to my channel if you love these videos. But it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through.